Ma che fa? Mi fai salutare almeno? Posso dire, can I say good morning?
Good morning to everybody from Sicily!
Good morning, my friends! Look at that, this is better than me. So, that's Calabria! I'm gonna stop.
Yeah, I think
it's better.
Yes, I think this place deserves a stop.
Ok. C'è vento.
In Sicilia c'è sempre vento.
I don't speak at all because it's so windy. But look at that, Rosella, please. Guys, can you see that land? That's not Sicily, that's Calabria.
The other homeland, the Tom's homeland, the other Tom's homeland.
So, Rosella, say what Calabria is.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers! Calabria, of course, is the rest of Italy, because as you know, Sicily is an island, and so in front of us there is the Italia, the other part of Italy.
So, show again Calabria. Can you see? Can you see the clouds? Yeah, that's Calabria. Can you see the black spot? That's Calabria, the southern Italy. Ok, dove siamo? Facciamo vedere.
Our car is very full of items. We are like, I don't know, homeless?
No, gypsy. Gypsy car. My gypsy car with the softbox to make professional shootings.
Yeah.
Professional shots.
A lot of pictures and videos. Let me.
Guys, good morning. So actually we are very full of tools, cameras, tripods, stabilizer. We have the softbox to make professional photos.
And two small luggages, we can say.
Yeah, just the necessary clothes.
But before to go, Gianca, please, it's time to say where we are.
So, I hope one person will watch this broadcast as soon as possible. I'm pretty sure she will see this video, but this is a gift for one of the best Sicily lovers ever,
Yeah.
Nerina Cecchetto.
She was born here in Furcisicolo.
We are in Furcisicolo again. It's a very, very small village. We are in the coastline between Messina and Catania. This is the Ionian Sea, and we are close to Taormina. As I said, as I mentioned in a previous broadcast, we are going to Taormina. So if you stay tuned, please don't go away.
I think in an hour,
in an hour we will be in Taormina, so be patient. But we were on the road to Taormina. We can't stop in Furcisicolo to gift Nerina Cecchetto some videos of her ancestral town. It's a very small village, and now you realize why, because it's very, very small. Only 3,000 people live here. There is a beautiful promenade. There is a beautiful beach, as you can see. This is Rosella. We went here. I think 3 years ago. We've been swimming in those beautiful, pristine waters, clear waters.
Yes, there are a lot of like a coastline full of beach.
Yeah.
With small rocky, small, not sandy, but pebbles. Yes.
And it's so funny because there are many villages connected each other. Non si capisce niente quando fai queste riprese, mi fai morire. No, it's easy. It's funny because I would like to say something about the other villages. So Furcisicolo is one of several villages connected each other. For example, the other one. I want to stop here just a moment.
Vuoi che faccio vedere?
No, just there. The other one is named. Sorry, guys. The other one is named Roccalumera. They are divided by a small river, a torrent. And if we go that way, in the other direction, there is another village named Santa Teresa Riva. They are all, I could say, joined. They are all connected, but they are just divided by torrents, so small rivers. Now we make the road to the center of Furcisicolo, just to show you some houses, and perhaps we could show the Mother Church. Rossella.
Yes, sure.
Let's go. So we go this way, and then this way.
I would like also to say happy birthday, Doug, because yesterday was his birthday, and so happy birthday.
Doug is Nerina's husband. Okay, so this is the main road in Furcisicolo. Oh, let me see.
Wow!
What this man is selling.
Abbassa il
Avocado.
finestrino, vedremo un bello finocchio selvaggio.
Avocado and finocchio and wild fennel.
Hanno premura e ne sono, non ho oggi che amaraccio, ma farà birre un paese e ne suonano. Ma come si permette? Non sanno che c'è Caricia, già anche Rosella, che vanno per i peri. Picciotti, ora qua vi facciamo sentire come parlano poi in questa zona, che cominciano a parlare un po' più la musica, eh?
Allora, I think we are close to the Mother Church, so I have to stop.
Let's park here.
Yeah.
We need to take the masks, of course. That's yours.
Thank you, Rosella.
And that's mine.
Aspetta che lo prendiamo pure da qua. Infatti. Guys, as you can see, it's a very small village. Say again, Rosella, it's about 3,000 people?
3,000 people, yes.
It's incredible. So, very small village. And as you can see, some people is relaxing under the sun.
Yes, look at the sky, Gianca. Show our friends how clear is today, how beautiful, how blue is today.
si capisce niente quando parli. Va bene, allora mettiamoci qua dietro, così facciamo una switch. So guys, I hope Nerina, Cecchetto and Doug will see this video soon. In the meantime, please stay tuned because we are moving to Taormina and we will show you the jewel of Sicily, Taormina.
With a beautiful landscape, watching Mount Etna, of course, and the sea, because also we can stop maybe in Isola Bella.
Yeah, sure.
So, stay tuned.
Io vorrei intervistare qualcuno, mi piacerebbe intervistare qualcuno, ma non lo so. Vogliamo parlare con qualcuno?
Vogliamo salutare il signore lì che ci guarda?
Sì, dai.
Con lei parlo, siamo in diretta in America. Canada è strano, vuole fare un saluto ai suoi compaesani? Di tutto il mondo.
Un saluto agli amici siciliani nel mondo. Lo vuole fare?
Sì.
Prego.
Dove ce n'è di più?
Sì.
Stati Uniti.
Un saluto. Saluti i siciliani nel mondo.
La parola così, siciliani nel mondo, vi saluto, sono Santina Allega di Fulcisico e sono stato sempre a Fulcisico.
Saluti, ciao. Buonasera.
Grazie.
Ok, Rosella.
Allora andiamo in macchina che salutiamo così. Sì, mettiamo ciascuno per il show a Fucci. Non era Kite Village? Vieni qua. Guys, see you in about 1 hour from Taormina, the jewel of Sicily.
Guys, just a question. What do you prefer? What do you prefer to see, the beach or the historic center of Taormina?
It's an hard question.
Another question.
And I'm curious, have you ever been to Taormina? Please write in the comments and see you later. And so, it's time to say.
If anybody knows Nerina Cecchetto, please alert Nerina about this video on Fulcisicolo, on her ancestral town.
Maybe she's sleeping because in Vancouver they are 9 hours
Before,
yeah.
so it's early. Guys, see you in a 1 hour, no more than 1 hour. Don't miss it.
There are a lot of questions. If you want, I can read some comments. Just
if you want, I can drive to Taormina.
Yeah.
It's so easy. It's so funny to talk while driving.
So
I have to be good.
Yes.
I don't have to watch the camera. I have just to drive.
So can we purchase your T-shirt anywhere, guys? I think more or less 1 month. Everybody wants to buy our T-shirt and sweater, and so we know. Maybe in 1 month. Okay. See you later from Taormina. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
Il mare, che bello.
Ciao dear Sicily lovers! Chi fai? Vuoi salutare a Reni? Saluta! Ciao!